Mason Pot fam, how to make cannabis infused vegan butter with any concentrate. Today we're using this 1 gram of sativa sugar. I would usually just put the jar right in the Mason Pot jar like so. I did this in this live rosin video I did. Live resin video and card, and both are below. And you simply put it through the strainer and you see the oil collected at all after the infusing process is really the way to go. I just didn't feel comfortable because this sugar jar here is like a different color, has stickers and paint on it. I just don't feel comfortable infusing that with anything. So that's what I'm doing here today. Using the probe piece of the thermometer to scrape it out. As you see, got the vast majority out. There might be a dab in that little jar for later if we want to go that route, but basically the full grams in there. So the next thing we're going to do is put on the lid with the silicone hole that comes with the Mason Pot kit, secure that band firmly. Then we're going to take that probe piece of the thermometer that we scraped that sugar out with and insert it. Make sure it touches the bottom. We're going to put it in the oven 240 degrees for 40 minutes. And when that time is up, we're simply just going to take it out of the oven. Now we're going to add the vegan butter. We just have a little bit here, like literally a couple teaspoons we're going to throw in there. 2 hours total at about 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit is the Mason Pot sweet spot, but you can go up to 220. That's why we set it at 220 Fahrenheit. So if it goes over that, adjust your oven, or you could even turn it off. After that first hour, you can lean in, give it a quick little swirl. You don't have to worry about the oven being open really, because the jar maintains such good heat, as you'll see through our residual heat decarb videos and calibrating your oven videos if you do want to take a deeper dive. And there we go. And then you stick it in for another hour. Once that 2 hours is up, we're just going to take it out and let it cool on the counter. 136, that's good enough for now. So I used the microfiber cloth, pull out the probe, get any butter that might be on the tip there off. Just a nice way to do it. Unscrew that band, pop that lid off, and then you got your cannabis infused vegan butter using 1 gram of sugar today. Again, there's other ways to go about it. The scraping at the beginning was a little rough with the probe. It still worked, but again, if the jar is clear glass, you don't need to worry about scraping anything. You just throw it right in. And this is about to be some nice vegan butter to get you feeling right. Thanks again for chilling today with the Mason Pot fam. Truly appreciate you guys. And if you want to take your infusions to the next level, or you just want to learn more, please subscribe and go to masonpot.com and check out what we got going on, guys. The Mason Pot infuser is truly a game changer. Look at this strain right here at the end. That's a different infusion, but I'm getting excited. Look at that swirl. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.